Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Every morning I have to have a delicious cup of coffee. And what's one of my favorite things to have along with my delicious cup of joe? A blueberry scone. So today I'm going to show you a very easy scone recipe that I found at marthastewart.com. If Martha likes it, it has to be good. Let's start baking so I can get to the eating and drinking coffee part. Set your oven to 400 degrees. Mix together 2.5 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix, 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 mix. Add 1 stick of cold unsalted butter. Squish it up till pea-sized pieces form. Whisk together 3/4 cup buttermilk and 1 large egg yolk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Slowly pour the buttermilk and egg mixture into the dry ingredients. Squish, 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 squish everything together. Squish, squish, squish. Transfer dough to a lightly floured work surface. Form a rectangular shape with the dough. Slowly pour 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries to the top of the dough. Whoops, come back here. Ooh, be careful not to crush them. Ooh, crazy blueberries. Don't run away. I like a lot of blueberries, so I tend to add more as I fold the dough. Add and fold, add and fold. Once you add a sufficient amount of blueberries, form the dough into a rectangle shape. Cut or pull apart 2-inch size pieces. Little extra blueberry. The recipe makes about 6 large scones. I made 7. Boop, 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 beep, beep, beep. Place pieces about 2 inches apart on a lined baking sheet. Boop, 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 boop. Sprinkle tops with 1 tablespoon sugar. Bake until tops are golden brown, about 20 minutes. Rotate the sheet halfway through. Ooh, don't those look delicious? Perfect. The scones are done. So now it's time for the best part, eating and drinking coffee. Got my coffee, got a scone. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and scone and coffee enjoying. It's a perfect morning.